Welcome to Not So Creative. In this video, I'm going to teach you the Kitchener stitch method, a game-changing technique for achieving seamless joins in your knitting projects, whether you're grafting the toe of a sock or joining a cowl. This method ensures a smooth, professional finish. Let's get started. To begin, make sure both pieces of knitting are on separate needles. Remember, you need to have the same amount of stitches on both needles. Hold the needles parallel to each other, with the right sides facing out. Cut your working yarn, leaving a tail about 3 to 4 times the length of the stitches you'll be grafting. In this case, I am leaving this much. Thread your tapestry needle with the yarn. For this tutorial, I'll be using a contrasting color to clearly show you the effect of this technique, but you should use your working yarn for an invisible seam, unless a visible seam is the effect you're looking for. We'll start with the setup steps. First, insert the tapestry needle into the first stitch on the front needle, as if to purl, and leave it on the needle. Then, insert the tapestry needle into the first stitch on the back needle, as if to knit, and leave it on the needle. This sets up the foundation for the seamless join. Now, we'll repeat these 4 simple steps. Knit off the first stitch on the front needle. Purl into the next stitch on the front needle, but leave it on. Purl off the first stitch on the back needle. And knit into the next stitch on the back needle, but leave it on. Repeat these 4 steps until all the stitches are grafted. Adjust your tension as you go to ensure the graft matches the rest of your knitting. Once you've grafted all the stitches, gently pull your yarn to even out the tension across the seam. Weave in the ends securely on the inside of your work. And there you have it, a seamless join using the Kitchener stitch method. If you're new to this or often struggle with loose seams, there's no need to unravel. You can take your tapestry needle and tighten the seam by pulling the legs of each stitch, like this, from beginning to end, which means from right to left. And that's it, problem solved. With a bit of practice, the Kitchener stitch becomes second nature and takes your knitting projects to the next level. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use this technique. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your knitting friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.